In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Docusign templates. This process can greatly streamline your document management by providing a reusable framework for your frequent documents. We'll break it down step by step so you can easily follow along and set it up for success. First, let's begin by navigating to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, find and click on the Templates option. This is your gateway to creating a reusable framework for your documents. Templates are fantastic when you have similar documents you send out time and again. They help maintain consistency and save you precious time. Afterward, you'll want to click on Create Template. This is where the real magic begins, and you'll start building out your template's unique settings and structure. Start by typing a template name. This name should clearly indicate the template's purpose, making it easily identifiable for future use. You might type something like sales contract or rental agreement, depending on the type of documents you're standardizing. Next up, type in a description for the template. The description helps clarify the specifics or nuances about the template, so make sure it's both descriptive and succinct. Now, click on Upload a file to choose the document you want to use within this template. Uploading a file takes those fields from your existing document and allows you to automate interactions more efficiently. Then we move on to defining roles within your template. Type the roles that will interact with the document, such as client or manager, setting the foundation for who will be signing or reviewing the document. This is crucial because roles guide Docusign on how to distribute the document to your recipients. Following this, type in the name of the person associated with the role. This step is handy when you know exactly who will assume which role, making future sends even smoother. Now, let's address email interaction. Simply click on Email. Here you add your recipient's information. This step can be tailored to your specific workflow, whether you're directly addressing individuals or sending to a general inbox. Type in a subject for the email. This is what your recipient will see in their inbox, so make it clear and direct. Follow up by typing in an accompanying message. This is your chance to communicate any extra instructions or pleasantries your recipient might need. With all this in place, you'll finalize the template setup with a click on Save and Close. This gets your template ready and live for use on Docusign. When you're ready to send your document, click Use. After selecting the template, click Next to review it one last time. You can either click Send to dispatch it immediately or choose Send without fields. If you prefer, you can add additional fields now to match your document's unique requirements. And there you have it. Your Docusign template is created and ready to use, setting the stage for efficient document handling. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this process as beneficial as it is straightforward.